श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः परम गुरुभ्यो नमः श्रीमतानंद तीर्थ भगवत पादाचार्येभ्यो नमः। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत् अखिल शक्तिधर स्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। अभ्रमं भङ्गरहितम् अजडं विमलं सदा आनन्दतीर्थमतुलं भजे तापत्रयापहम्। पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे। Namaskara. Welcome to our channel Sri Raghavendra Bhakta. We are on this prosperous journey of deciphering Sri Raghavendra Stotra, and in today's session we will be looking at the 7th and the 8th shloka. Let us move ahead. Santana sampat parishuddha bhakti vijnana vagdeha supata vadi datva sharirortha samasta doshan hatva sanovyat guru Raghavendra. Now there is one thing that every family on this earth wishes for. That is to continue their lineage with an offspring. Now we didn't even have to ask for it. Appanacharya has stated directly that Sri Raghavendra Swami can grant you that Santana Sampat. Santana means a child. Sampat means asset. A child is obviously an asset to every family. So Sri Raghavendra Swami, with the grace of Sri Raghavendra Swami, every family can get a Santana Sampat. Parishuddha Bhakti. He can also grant you Parishuddha Bhakti, that is pure devotion. Pure devotion that you can have on Sriman Narayana only with the grace of the Guru. And you can dedicate your devotion in 9 forms. As Praglata has stated, there are Navavidha Bhaktis. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. So Sri Raghavendra Swami's grace will give you pure devotion which you can devote on Sri Narayana, the Lord Himself. Vijnana. Vijnana here should not be taken in the literal sense as science, but it means Vishesha Jnana on the Lord. Vishnu Jnana. The knowledge on the Lord Himself is referred as Vijnana here. Vagdeha Supatava. Vag means the speaking skills. Deha means health. Supatava means expertise. In order to live a very fulfilled life, a happy and a prosperous life, the first requirement is good health. The second requirement, according to this generation, today's world, is speaking skills, where you can put out your thoughts and express yourself. So Sri Raghavendra Swami can grant you both Vag Deha Supatava, Adin, etc. Now these are just a few examples that Appanacharya has stated with the etc. in the end. Datva. Now we need to put a pause on this shloka here. Santana Sampat Parishuddha Bhakti Vijnana Vagdeha Supatavadi Datva. He gives all this to us in one hand, whereas on the other hand, He takes all the bad things from us. Sharirortha Samasta Dhoshan. All the doshas that are related to this body, Sharirortha, related to our body, doshas, Hatva. Hatva means to remove. Sharirortha Samasta Doshan Hatva Sanovyat Guru Raghavendra Saha. He himself, Naha, us, Avyat, let Him protect us. Let Sri Raghavendra Swami protect us by giving all the good things in our life and also by removing all the doshas from us. That's the meaning of our 7th shloka. Now let us go ahead and look at the 8th one. यत्पादोदक संचय सुरनदी मुख्यापगा साधिता संख्यानुत्तम पुण्य संग विलसत् प्रख्यात पुण्यावहः दुस्तापत्रयनाशनो भुवि महावन्द्यासु पुत्रप्रदो व्यङ्गस्वङ्ग समुद्रितो ग्रहमहापापाहस्तं श्रये यत्पादोदक संचय सुरनदी मुख्यापगा साधिता. Pada Udaka means the water that comes from the Abhisheka of Sri Raghavendra Swami. Udaka means water. Pada Udaka, the Abhisheka that is done to the Pada of Sri Raghavendra Swami. Sanchaya, when it is gathered together, what all greatness can it provide is what is stated by Appanacharya in this shloka. Now that Padodaka of Sri Raghavendra Swami is compared to Suranadhi, Ganges. Suranadi Mukhyapaga Sadhita. When you take a dip in Ganges, what all can be obtained? We get rid of our sins, we are purified, our soul is purified, we get a lot of merits. Now he is comparing it to the Suranadi. And in the next line, he is listing what all this Padodaka can achieve. Asankhya, Anuttama Punya Sangha. Asankhya means countless. Anuttama means unsurpassed or unmatched. Punya Sangha. Punya means merit, all good things. Sangha means group. A lot of good merits. Now this Padodaka can bring us countless number of merits. Punya Sangha Vilasat Prakyata Punyavahaha. Vilasat, Lasati means to shine. Visheshena Lasati Vilasat. Prakyata, it has been famously told. Punya Avahaha, it is also famously told that it brings a lot of merit to us. Punya avahaha. Avaha means to bring. So this Padodaka of Sri Raghavendra Swami brings a lot of merit into our lives. Appanacharya continues in the very next line by saying Dustapatraya Nashano. Tapatraya. In this samsara there are three types of tapa. Difficulties that every human faces. Adhyatmika, Adi Bhaudika, Adi Daivika. Adhyatmika are the doshas or difficulties that we face because of this physical body. Adi Bhaudika or the difficulties are the doshas that we face because of nature, the physical objects around us, or the five manifestations of nature. Adi Daivika is because of doshas that are created by Devatas and our Grahacharas. Now Sri Raghavendra Swami's the grace of Sri Raghavendra Swami can remove all these Dustapatrayas. That's what Appanacharya states here by saying Dustapatraya Nashano. Bhuvi Maha Vandyasu Putra Prado. Bhuvi, on this samsara, on this earth, Mahavandya means a barren lady. In other words, an infertile woman who has a very least chance of carrying an offspring in her women can also get a very healthy child. Suputra Prado, she will be blessed with a child with the grace of Sri Raghavendra Swami. Vyanga Swanga Samudrito. Vyanga means disabled or differently abled or handicapped, in other words, who do not have perfect limbs, can also grow. Samudrito. Swanga. Swanga is Suanga, a very healthy body. Grahamaha Papa Apahastam Shraye. All the Mahapapas that are created by the Grahacharas because of the planetary movements are removed. Apaha, to remove. Now, since Raghavendra Swami can grant all this to us, one thing that I am willing to do is tamshraye. I surrender. I surrender myself completely in the feet of Sri Raghavendra Swami so that he can show his grace and give me all the good things in the life and also remove all the bad things and the unwanted things from our life for a happy and a prosperous living. I hope you understood the video and I hope you liked the video as well. Do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now, before I end the session, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every one of the viewers because we have reached a count of 1000 plus views on all our videos and a subscriber count of 150 plus. So there are no words to express my happiness and gratitude. Thank you so much for your support and please keep sharing and encouraging. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैवा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय इति समर्पयामि. श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Thank you.